Hey everybody, I just want to give you a quick review on this paw cleaner, let you know why I bought it and what I think about it. First of all, why I bought it. We have a small Yorkie and I hate having dirty floors, but the kids love taking her outside and playing with her, so I got this so they could help keep her feet clean, right? So we've only been able to use it a few times so far and it's been really cool. First thing I tell you, it's been really easy for the kids to use. And what I like about it is that it's super easy to clean, right? So you just simply unscrew it to take the lid off. Then it has this really soft silicone mat on the inside, so you don't have to worry about hurting the dog's paws or anything. Then if you can see, it just kind of has these little locking tabs in here, so you just unlock it. It's dishwasher safe. So, I would recommend at least rinsing it off before you put it in your dishwasher, but, rinse it off, put it in your dishwasher, and when it's done, it's super easy to kind of just put back together. Like I said, how you took it off, you just push the tabs back in there, drop it back in your cup, and screw your lid back on. So far, it's done a really good job at keeping her feet clean and my floors clean, so I'm really happy with it and I recommend it.